find or read reviews that people are talking of GreenStory Global Pool and Spa Oil Absorbing Skimmer Discs. The recommended that you do not buy unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Our oil absorbing discs are easy to use, just drop the whole bag in your pool or skimmer. They reduce oils, scum, lotions, and sunscreens that float on the surface of the pool, fouling the water line and gunking up your filter. Keep your filter cleaner longer with these. The drop-in bag lasts up to a full year with more than 270 square inches of surface area. Each disc is coated with a patented oil-grabbing compound. This product is great for pools with heavy use. Thanks for watching. Emphasize once more. If you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. And all the links to everything we mention in this video, you can find linked in the description.